Now we will click on this surface, this little cut that we made in the previous part of the video, and go to sketch, zoom in, and hold your cursor here so it reveals the center of this curve. We do need to draw a circle at the center of this curve. After you select a feature, select the circle and then hold your cursor here so now it shows the center. So we will draw a circle and use a smart dimension, give it a value of 2.5, press enter, and in this we will give it an offset of 1, I think, and it should be 1 millimeters, and it should be inverted. I think 1 millimeter is way too small. I think it should be 0.5 millimeters, maybe. Most that's better. And so give it an offset and reverse the direction. Otherwise, it's going to be outside. We need it inside. Give it an offset of 0.5, and then okay, this is neat. This is going to be basically the nut that usually placed in this kind of indents. We go to features and extrude. Move that out by 1 millimeter. Press center. Say okay. This is what I need. This is what it's going to look like. And now we will go to linear pattern drop down menu, go to circular pattern, first to specify the direction. So the direction is this surface, and the feature to specify the number, how many you want, 7 of these, and then specify the feature. So the features to is the only feature right now selected is the nut. So we also need from the drop down menu, we also need this extrude that we cut out from this surface, and we need a total of 7 of these. There you go. It's showing in the preview. This is what it's going to look like. And from this, let me if 9 is better than 9, or a different number of these looks better. Maybe 12, because these cuts are quite small. I'm going with 12, and in this there is a drop down menu in the left window called instances to skip. You click that, you will see these pink buttons appear between this, so we'll skip that. Skip this one. Let me see if we have to skip that. I don't think we have to skip this one. Is in line, sort of in line with the others. So skip this one and skip these. The rest are in line. The rest are looking great. Say okay, this is what we need, and there you go. This is sort of the pattern that's created with this circular pattern feature. Now we will move on to the back of this and say sketch. In the sketch, we will draw a line from, if you were to hover here, you will see this point. You move from this point to the other side. Basically, there will be another point similar to that. This is the line we drew, and click on this face, basically this entire face. We need this all, and we need as well this, say, convert entities. So now we have a drawing that looks like this. Go to features, and we extrude this by click here. So this is what we need to extrude, and give it a value of 40 millimeters. So it should come up to the edge of this circle, and we say yes, this is what we need, and okay. Okay, this is what you should have by this point in the video. Moving forward, obviously we've already extruded this. We will basically mirror this entire body onto this side as well. So let me use the uh, mirror command basically to move this entire the structure onto this side basically. The mirror, and then obviously the mirror face or plane about which we need to. So we'll open this drop down tree and select this plane, front plane. There we go, this plane, and then we would say features to mirror, and in this we will select all the individual parts, this, this, all the features that we've made so far. These circular patterns, this that we applied, and then this extrusion. I don't think we need to apply the extrusion because that is already connected. Let me just do it regardless. But you can inspect it and see all the individual um, parts and everything there as it should be. So there's no missing cuts or anything. You can say yes, this is what we need, and there you go. This is uh, created. Let's move on to the next part. Okay, so the finishing touches include uh, drawing on this surface, sketch here, and select a circle from this center. Go to here, we will, this, the dimension will be 30 millimeters, and we will extrude this feature by 20 millimeters. 20, press enter. That this is how it should look like. Say okay, this is neat. And after that, the last two features that we need to draw is basic draw on this surface, and obviously since you're drawing inside you won't be able to see what you're drawing, but we need a circle that is at the center. So you just hover your mouse here, this center. Okay, this is how much you want it to be, and this should be 20 meter. And go to features, and we go extruded cut, and we extruded cut this by double click this, and this is how deep it should be. Say okay, this is what we want. Move and make a hole here, and the same thing on this side. Go to sketch and draw a center circle. Hold your mouse here so it reveals the center. Draw a circle. Smart dimension, same thing here, 20 millimeters diameter, and we will cut this by 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters already pre-selected. So now you will see two holes that will be used to connect the next part in this design. So save this, and we will move on to next part after this, next few parts, after which we will start assembling.